Hi, welcome back to CSE in Tamil channel. So today we shall discuss about the introduction part of the KNIME. So in KNIME we shall discuss about the feature, advantage and capabilities. Just we shall have some of the introduction about it in this video. So already we know KNIME is nothing but it is a open source tool. Just in Google we can type free download KNIME for Windows. So likewise, whatever the platform you want, you can type the platform and you can down the KNIME tool. So just the workflow component we can drag and drop in the node monitor area, which help us to develop the various concept like deep learning, all the concept. So whatever the concept we want, machine learning, navy base, deep learning, LSTM, natural language processing, extract transform learning, application programming interface. So anything can be interacted with the help of this 9. So there is a minimal code, we need only minimum coding or no coding is required. So here we don't want any large amount of coding skill, because it is a tool where we just drag and drop the workflow component, and it is a open source, and we can do transformation, visualizing, reporting the data, which is helpful for the various data scientists, data engineers, and we can analyze the data. And the various features of the KNIME is we can blend the data from any source. So it may be in any format, whether it may be in a comma separated value, PDF, Excel file, JavaScript, and then extensible markup language. So any unstructured data can also be deal with this KNIME, and we can blend it in any of the format. Not only that, any kind of databases can also be integrated with it. Either it may be the Oracle, SQL, Apache Hive, Snowflake, anything else. So these people will handle the big data. So mostly these people will handle the big data. If the dimensionality of the big data is very high, then we will fetch these kind of databases to blend the data. So likewise, not only that, Salesforce, SharePoint, and so on. So we can deal any data. Not only collecting those data and analyzing, we can shape our data. So shape our data means any large number or any size of the data, their dimension or the features can be reduced, and using correlation analysis we can find the statistics of the data, such that finding a independent relations between the two value, and finding the coefficient p value, so on. So we can have the statistical data for a particular data set. Not only that, we can transform the data by you finding some aggregate, sort, filter, and join the data. If any of the data is missing in the data set, we can clean the data, and we can extract or select a particular features. So here we can use any kind of models. So navy base, support vector machine, neural network, any. So here we have listed some of the thing: bagging, boosting, stacking. So any model can be applied to this, and we can find validate those model, and we can find the performance metric, confusion matrix, so on. So we can find it with the help of this 9. Not only that, through this workflow component, so these are all the workflow component which help us to validate the data. And we have so many prototypes for this workflow, and we need to follow those things by having a connection between the two workflow component. Therefore we can find the performance of any data set, and also we can exercise those database processing, which help us to increase the computation performance. So various areas such as Apache Spark, we can integrate the KNIME tool with those people. Okay, so with this feature, advantage, and feature is completed. We shall see the advantage and capabilities in the another video. Thank you.